Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by surveying the installation area and local codes governing grounding. Verify location keeps the ground rod at least 6 feet away from other utilities. Choose a continuous 6 AWG copper conductor for the main ground bonding connection. Prepare tools: a standard 8-foot copper ground rod, ground clamp, hammer, shovel, and a digital multimeter. Wear insulated gloves and eye protection while working. Turn off power to the blazing edge device at the breaker before proceeding. Position the 8-foot copper ground rod at the chosen spot and drive it vertically. Leave about 3-5 inches of rod above grade for a secure clamp connection and inspection. Strip and prepare the 6 AWG copper conductor end to ensure full metal contact. Fasten the conductor to the rod using a listed ground clamp tightened to manufacturer torque. Route the conductor in a straight line toward the blazing edge location, avoiding sharp bends or kinks. Bury the conductor at least 18 inches deep, where required by code. After installation, restore power to any supporting circuits and prepare to test grounding. Use a digital multimeter or ground resistance tester to measure continuity between the blazing edge chassis and the ground rod. A functional ground should read continuity and show resistance under 25 ohms, with below 5 ohms preferred. If resistance exceeds acceptable limits, install a second 8-foot ground rod at least 6 feet away and bond the 2 rods with 6 AW.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.